Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how you can remove parental control from Fortnite. In order to do this procedure, first of all check your internet connection and then log in into your account. For that, open up a web browser. On the web address bar, you can just type in www.epicgames.com or you can type in fortnite.com. Now this is going to take you to the official web page of Fortnite. You'll need to log in with one of your Epic Games credential. After you launch to the official page, click on the icon located right on top. After that, you'll need to sign in into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in, so I'm just gonna tap on the icon located in the top right hand side corner, go to accounts. And this is gonna take you to the account settings page. Here you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. And in the left hand side bar, you can see there are multiple options. Right in between, you have parental controls. As soon as you click on parental control, if it is already enabled, then it's gonna ask you to enter in the PIN. So you'll need to ask the person who actually has the access of their parental control. So you need to enter in the PIN. In my case, I don't have any parental control, so you can see there's the create PIN button. So you'll need to enter in the PIN, and if you've forgotten your PIN, you'll also be able to see the forgot PIN password, and it's gonna send you through an email or an SMS that is linked to the parental control, that is linked to the authority. After that, you'll need to enter in the PIN, and as soon as you do that, next page you'll be able to see a button. All you have to do is just tap on it, and then you've successfully turned off parental control. Sometimes you might also be asked to provide in some security answers, such as maybe entering the verified identity and whatever sort of question they have set, and only then you'll be able to disable it. So in this way, you can disable your parental control or remove parental control from Fortnite. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.